The BMW M4 has always been a statement of raw power and refined luxury, but the 2025 BMW M4 takes this legacy and redefines it. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine gripping the wheel of a machine that doesn't just move but dominates the road. Now open them, because the future is here, and it's painted with adrenaline and precision. In this video, we're diving deep into what makes the 2025 M4 not just a car but an experience. Let's start with the heart of the M4, the engine. Beneath the hood, BMW has placed a 3.0-liter inline-six powerhouse with twin turbochargers, producing a staggering 503 horsepower in the competition model. For context, that's more power than most of us will ever need, but exactly what you want when you're carving through canyon roads or merging onto highways like you're escaping a high-speed chase. 0 to 60 in just 3.8 seconds means that the M4 doesn't just get you there, it makes sure you arrive first. Now think about this. How often do you encounter a car that balances this level of speed with absolute control? It's not just fast, it's precision engineered for those who demand perfection. Speaking of control, let's talk about the drivetrain. With the optional xDrive all-wheel drive system, BMW has given you the power to tailor your driving experience. Switch between rear-wheel dominance for that thrilling drift or all-wheel drive stability for when conditions demand it. It's like having two cars in one, and the ability to adapt to every road and every mood is pure genius. What's your preference? The thrill of chaos or the calm of mastery? With the M4, you can have both. Step inside the cabin, and you're greeted by an interior that feels more like a command center than a cockpit. The bucket seats are sculpted for both comfort and performance, wrapping you in luxury while holding you firmly in place as you push the limits. The curved digital display integrates the instrument cluster and infotainment system seamlessly. It's intuitive, responsive, and feels like an extension of the driver. Every touchpoint, every surface, speaks of craftsmanship. And with the option of carbon fiber trim, you're constantly reminded of the race-inspired DNA this car carries. Have you ever thought about how a car's interior can make you feel invincible? Sit in the M4, and you'll know. The exterior design of the M4 is not for the faint of heart. It's bold, aggressive, and unapologetically unique. From the massive kidney grille to the sculpted lines that run across its body, this car is designed to turn heads and raise pulses. The aerodynamic enhancements are not just for show, they're functional, improving downforce and stability at high speeds. Imagine pulling up to a red light, and the car next to you doesn't even dare to challenge. That's the kind of presence the M4 commands. Now let's address the elephant in the room, technology. BMW has packed this car with cutting-edge features that ensure you're not just connected but fully engaged. The xDrive 8.5 system is smarter and more intuitive than ever, with voice recognition that actually understands you. The heads-up display keeps critical information in your line of sight, ensuring you never have to take your eyes off the road. And then there's the driver assist features. Lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, collision warnings, they're all there, but they don't take away from the pure driving experience. It's the perfect blend of man and machine. How many cars can boast being both a tech marvel and a driver's dream? The M4 is in a league of its own. Let's not forget about the sound. The exhaust note of the M4 is like a symphony of power. In sport mode, it roars to life, reminding everyone around you that this isn't just another car on the road. It's an animal waiting to be unleashed. But switch to comfort mode, and it purrs with sophistication, proving that the M4 isn't just a one-trick pony. Have you ever experienced a car that speaks to your emotions like this? The M4 communicates in a language every enthusiast understands. The practicality of the M4 is also worth mentioning. Yes, it's a high-performance coupe, but it's also surprisingly versatile. With a usable rear seat and a decent-sized trunk, it's more than capable of handling weekend getaways or even daily commutes. It's the kind of car that doesn't demand sacrifices. You get performance, luxury, and functionality all in one package. How many cars can truly claim that? For those who crave individuality, BMW offers a range of customization options. From exclusive paint colors to bespoke interior finishes, the M4 allows you to make it your own. It's not just a car, it's a statement. And that statement is loud and clear: you're not here to blend in. Now, as we near the end of this journey, ask yourself, what do you want from a car? Is it speed, luxury, technology, or is it the feeling you get when you're behind the wheel, knowing you're driving something extraordinary? The 2025 BMW M4 isn't just a car, it's an experience, a thrill, a privilege. And it's waiting for you to take the wheel. Before we wrap up, let me leave you with this. The BMW M4 is a reminder that life is too short to settle. It's a call to embrace the extraordinary, to seek out challenges, and to live with passion. If you've made it this far, it means you're not just a casual observer. You're someone who values performance, excellence, and the finer things in life. And if that's you, the M4 is your car. Now, if you're as inspired as I am, don't forget to check out my next video on the power of compounding. Trust me, it's a concept that could change your life, just like the M4 changes your perspective on driving. And while you're here, hit that subscribe button. Let's keep exploring, learning, and driving forward together.